Hello.
Hi.
This is our cake.
And this is chicken.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are heading out for a picnic today.
And we've been planning this for years and finally it's happening today. We are so happy and excited.
Intros day out
And yeah,
picnic.
we are full of intros. Intros day out. So keep watching the video.
Please watch till the end and enjoy with us. This is the spot for today. Hello.
Hi. This is our destination for today.
Yeah.
And here we are. This is our spot.
Whoa. You want to say anything?
Actually like that. 어머. so odd. Arrangement. Intros.
Whoa.
See, we tried so hard. We even bought this glass all the way from Bosti. See, we're gonna have juice from here. So, you guys might maybe wondering what's inside this paper. Ta-da!
Tatushin.
Yes, we're gonna make pickle with this one.
Jai. Anan juga mana tu siano? Dan. Joy.
Abang taşı koyuyoruz o. No, playback.
Lalu muka. Mungkin benar ni. Mari weh.
Wow.
Ani tu dong le tadi.
Jadi, komplit saja ni.
Тебе же всего уже Aku padu belum tadi.
I can't wait to cut the cake.
Intro. How does it feel that our long planned picnic is happening today?
So happy. Very excited. More excited for the chicken.
Here.
Where's the chicken? Oh my god.
What?
Local kerosene.
Oh no! We can't find our chicken.
It's here though.
Cake cutting ceremony.
Bite will be eat.
So yummy.
Thank you.
For the viewers.
This is for just because
Viewers.
Subscribers, yeah.
Hello. Cheers.
so good.
There one na.
Thank you, Sese Bakes, for this delicious cake. You can place your order. I think her Insta account name is Sese Bakes, right?
Yeah.
Sese Bakes. You can order. It's pretty good. Thank you. So good. Even the color.
We are really enjoying it. आधा केक खा लिया।
खत्म कर दिया।
हाँ हाँ, कैसा लगा?
पार्टी कर रहा है हम।
अच्छा है ना?
बहुत अच्छा है।
अभी भी खाने पड़ेगा।
बाद में खाएगा।
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
अब केक बहुत अच्छा लगा। आप बहुत
बहुत अच्छा
पसंद करता है।
सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है।
सब कुछ खाता है।
ये भी खाता
और
है।
ये जागना। अब भी बोलो।
मैं भी ये बहुत खुशी पता है।
ये तो क्या है? हम लोग
जाना है।
और तो अभी अच्छा लगता है ना? और कुछ बोलना चाहिए
नहीं बोलेगा।
तो किविज़ो इंट्रो दो। और ये भी केक बहुत पसंद करता है।
खुशी भी लगता है।
खाओ खाओ, खा के देखो।
पता है ना।
स्किन भी सॉफ्ट होता है ये।
एग्जैक्टली। भूखा भी होएगा।
हाँ।
This is why we call her aesthetic lady. You think he's sharper? लेकिन अभी
Runa, look here.
actually I don't know how.
Grams.
5 of us. Really?
Let's see.
It's done. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. For Annie and Nakina. 안녕. हाय, अब क्या कर रहा है?
देखो ना। नहीं देखा?
अच्छा ही लगता है।
अच्छा ही लगता है। Time to cook. And this is for chutney. So guys, let's hear out the technique from the chef now. Start now.
I'll show you our recipe
Yeah.
today. Chicken fry. So this is chicken, which are already chopped into pieces. Thank you. This is chili powder. You can add according to your preference, like how much spice you want. This one is chicken masala. See, this one is very small. It's 2 rupees. Okay.
Oh, is it spicy?
Yeah. No, it's not spicy.
For the color?
Yeah, it gets flavor.
Oh, flavor. Okay, okay.
Very tiny, but this is the only one I have at home. So I'll add everything. Okay. This. No. See. This one is
What's that?
haldi.
Okay.
I'll just not much. You just
Wrapped in local style.
and then garlic.
Okay.
Then I put 3 tomatoes and I think 6 onions. I don't know how much to do. I don't know how much to do. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. Like this. Now. Oil.
Okay.
This is refined. Put the oil like this. Now you stir it. Oh, salt.
Oh yeah. Don't put too much.
Since this one is the local one.
Yeah.
Done. And And we just like this. Looks yummy. We can steam like this in the rice instead of burning.
어. 진짜 귀여워. 못 해주나?
Okay.
오, 맛있는데.
They went on a local plate hunt, and here they are.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Heavy lunch.
The lunch is ready. Already set.
The wait is over. Now let's dig in. All the best. Okay.
Yummy. Who's the master chef?
암토나.
I present to you the head cook of the day.
Yes.
Thank you. And the co-workers.
Dish.
Update after 10 seconds. 10 minutes.
Chicken 2 kg bakal.
Tikka tunggu di situ.
뭘 줄이야 그러지?
Jangan kau sih.
YouTuber kan tuh itu kan decoration kan ini roti sih loh. Tapi kanai.
Oh no. Iya tuh kayaknya sudah.
Amnan uti hadi na kau bilang ikut.
Wah.
Ini kau nggak
Kalau sih. Kau tuh. Nakau bilang ikut aja. Ani so kau lah sih. So nakau kau. Mau ikut deh.
We're going back.
Okay. Going for
Swimming.
Bye guys.
So guys, we just had our lunch and we are off to swim now. Look at the environment. Hi Annie, how was the picnic?
It was really good. I really enjoyed time with my intros. It was worth it. Bye-bye.
I had an amazing day with my intros and it was a day I'll never forget. Thank you all for watching. Bye.
Hello intro.
Hello.
Anything to say about this day?
We had a really great time together. We enjoyed the cake, the chicken, and we laughed a lot. Our friendship is going strong. We are called the intros. We have 5 members. Me, Vija, Ani, Akrino, and Kevizo. We were friends since childhood.
Yes.
And we root for many more years of friendship. Let's
Bye.
keep going. Bye.
We had so much fun and moreover the food was amazing. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
I'm back again. 3 kilometers to go. So guys, yeah, we are heading back home.
Oh, Kalino.
We truly had a wonderful time with each other.
Why?
We had planned this picnic for so long, and after so many delays, it happened today, and we had so much fun.
One good thing is, all of us are successfully unemployed.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
We're looking for a job. We are hunting for a job. Ah, it's too bright now.